Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered what happens after an organic chemistry reaction is finished? You mix your chemicals, let them react, but how do you get your final, pure product out of that messy mixture? That's where a process called workup comes in. Today, we're going to break down what a workup is and the common steps involved. Simply put, a workup is the series of steps you take to isolate and purify your desired compound from the reaction mixture. Think of it as the cleanup phase of your experiment. After a reaction, your flask doesn't just contain your product. It also has leftover starting materials, unwanted byproducts, the solvent, and maybe a catalyst. The workup is how we get rid of all that junk. The process can usually be broken down into a few key steps. First is quenching the reaction. This means stopping it completely. We do this to prevent any further, unwanted reactions from happening. Quenching is usually done by carefully adding a specific chemical, like water, a mild acid, or a base to neutralize the mixture. The second step is extraction. This is where we separate our product from water-soluble impurities using a piece of glassware called a separatory funnel. We add our reaction mixture in a solvent that doesn't mix with water, like ether. This creates two layers, an organic layer and an aqueous, water, layer. Our product is usually soluble in the organic layer, while unwanted salts go into the aqueous layer. We can then drain the layers separately. We often wash the organic layer several times to remove specific impurities. The third step is drying. After extraction, our organic layer still has small droplets of water in it. We add a drying agent, which is an anhydrous salt like magnesium sulfate. These salts act like tiny sponges, absorbing the water, and we can then filter them out. Fourth is solvent removal. Now we have our product dissolved in a clean, dry organic solvent. We need to remove that solvent. We use a tool called a rotary evaporator, or rotovap, which uses gentle heat and low pressure to evaporate the solvent quickly, leaving our crude product behind. The final, and very important, step is purification. This crude product is rarely 100% pure. So, we perform a final purification using techniques like recrystallization, distillation, or column chromatography to get our final, pure compound. So, a workup takes you from a complex reaction mixture to a pure product. It's a fundamental skill in the organic lab. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you next time.